Okay. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hope everyone is doing okay. And the reason why I'm recording in the car because it was a long day and I didn't have the chance to sit properly and record. And I stopped the car because I needed to record right now. Otherwise, I won't be able to record. I'll be lazy or I'll be sleepy. And I'm doing it one shot. I'm not doing any re-record. I'm just going straight forward to shoot it, to go through what happened today in terms of trading. And I'm gonna record here on the screen itself. So I'm gonna start directly speaking about today. What the hell happened today? It wasn't a straightforward. It was a journey. It was a journey. Well, a good day is always easy to talk about, but today it was a hard day. The good thing is I don't spend time. Am I recording? I am. I don't spend time on the chart itself. I get alerts, and I have my own strategy so to apply. And the good thing is that it's when those bad days happen, you get to win by saving your money, losing smartly. I think today was a good example about losing smartly. Jumping into the subject would be the good thing to do, not to talk further. So we're going to talk about first Nasdaq. Nasdaq, as we see here, started the day. I'll go through the trade itself and what did I do, how did I enter, and how did I exit. What you see in front of you here, I marked them, so I remember exactly when I entered, when I exit, and why did I exit, and why did I enter. So it was here, yeah. So I marked my high here and was waiting for the price to cross it. And when the price crossed it, I entered for a long. When I entered for a long, I was aiming for it to stay respecting this line, and if it crossed it, I might exit. So the price went and it crossed it, and my position just now closed on Nasdaq. Okay, well, that's in profit, so it's good. So I exited here. At the same time I exited the short position, I have entered a long position because also I have this line was already marked for it. If it crossed it, I might just enter for a long. And I think I entered long. Yeah, I entered long. Oh no, sorry. I entered short. Yeah. Here I entered long, and here I entered short because I forgot. Now I remember. So I entered short because it was closer to the ATR here, and the ATR usually when it's closer to it, directly shift my thought toward shorting. If it's crossing the higher ATR, I think of it as it's gonna go down. Vice versa, if it's crossing the lower ATR, which is I marked it down here, no, it's all the way here, the ATR, I think now to go up. As you see, the reason why I was thinking to go short because the price starting of the day went high and it was going high, so I immediately thought of shorting here at this position. So at this position, when I was thinking to short, I was hoping for it to go down, and the line that I marked that if it crossed it I might think about exiting was this one. Again, I exited. I tried to give it one more candle, hoping it will go down, but it didn't, so I exited here. And that was almost like a straight line, all of it. So my aim was for a booster going up or going down, but it didn't happen here. So I was like, all right, no problem. Either way, it's not a big loss. Yeah, it's small losses. Going forward, what was this? Yeah, so this is the high now, right? It crossed. So as soon as it crossed, I entered for a long position, and it was kinda, sorta going until it crossed. What did it cross exactly? The line that I put here. When it crossed, I closed the trade. Mini profit, not bad. And then I entered for I think I entered for a short here. Yeah, I entered for a short, and I put my stop here. If it crossed this line, I will stop it. I'm entering short again because I'm thinking about short always here. So I entered short, and then I exited here. I exited my entry. At that point, I was not ready to sit and watch, and I was doing something else. I don't actually use any effort of watching. I get alert, but here I was like, I'm not gonna be around if I got the alert, so I'm gonna exit. And then I entered again for a short duration of 5 minutes. I don't know why I did that, but at the moment I didn't want to like spend some time expecting to receive a notification and not be there. That's what I do. I receive the notification to exit or enter. That's all. Yeah, and here I exited again my short position because I was looking at it and I was seeing like, this is nothing, it's doing nothing. I'm not gonna put the effort. I don't want to sit and watch. I wasn't watching at the beginning, but I wasn't willing to not be there when I received the notification on my phone. That's what I do. I get the notification on my phone to enter or exit. So I put a line here to remind me if it's gonna go up, I'm gonna enter. And I have also another line at the end, like you see this one. I have it in case it went all the way down, which is impossible. Like, this is a huge move up. Anyway, I didn't do anything. I wish I didn't exit. That would have been like, yeah. So what did I learn here? A reminder that you need to give it some room. Right, the price is gonna go up and down, but eventually it will go to your favor. But in case it didn't, just have a place where you can say, this is where I can bear a loss and I'm gonna close it. So it was perfect. I put it here, but for somehow I closed it and I didn't want to look into it. Otherwise it would have been like a good cut here, and immediately I might exit. Like, I might put a line here like that, and I might exit here. It would be like from here, like, oh, did I enter here all the way here? A good trade, but I didn't. So wishing for it is no, it's not gonna happen. Nothing gonna happen. And the price started going and going and going and going and going until it reached here. So when it reached here, I could have entered long, but I didn't think of long, because when I think long is when it crossed my ATR, which is below here. But here it's the beginning, this is the opening price. It's in gray. I didn't think about it because this is a very critical place. It might go up and down. I let it be. I let it do whatever it wanted to do. I put a line here once it touched twice, and I kept that as respecting it. And here, so basically this is the high of the day over here, and when it crossed it, I thought of going long, and I went. It did go perfectly, go up, and around here I exit. Why did I exit? So this is the daily ATR. This is the monthly ATR. So when it reached closer to the monthly ATR, I said no, you know what, this is good enough. I'm not gonna wait for it to go higher. I'm not gonna wait for it to go lower. That boost at the end, that was good for me to exit. By luck, because I didn't look at the chart the whole day, and when I opened it, I saw this chart. I was like, I'm exiting. Exit, good profit. And as soon as it was, 1 second. So, yeah, when that happened, I exited. Thank God. And as soon as I exit, this huge candle pushing down closer to the monthly ATR was enough for me to say I'm shorting. So I shorted, and expecting for the price to go down, and it's all part of probabilities. Like you put what you expect, but you keep in the back of your head, what if it went wrong? Okay, I know when to exit. So to me, this line was for me to exit, but it went to my favor, and okay, good. It kept going. It kept going. It kept going. It kept going. Here, I exit half of the position, and I kept it on a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss meaning like if the stop loss was here and the price went down, the stop loss goes with it. Vice versa, if the stop loss was here and the price go up, it will follow it, and it will keep going up, following the price. So somehow when you're exiting your stop loss, you're in profit, and you're not in loss, because it's following. I kept it. I think by the time I started recording, it was here, and I was like, whatever happened to the price, I'll let it be. Okay, so the price was here when I exit, so I might just say I exited here. Yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, that was today. That was for Nasdaq, and it was choppy at the beginning, but eventually some big moves came and put me back in profit. And now I'm not gonna do anything. That's enough for today. I'm not gonna even look at it. I got what I wanted, and I'm gonna move forward. Anyway, I hope this was hopefully useful. So I hope this was useful to whoever's watching, and if it's not, hope it's useful for me. Talking to myself is not fun, but recalling what I did is actually very useful. I hope you have a good evening, good morning, wherever you are, and thank you for watching. Have a good night. See you guys.